Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be useful for people who want to earn money sitting at home. Today's video focuses on the topic of believable platform for earning without investment.
Today's video promises to be both explosive and informative.
Today, I am creating this video at the request of Altish_but. I kindly ask you to please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share your opinions in the comment section before viewing this video. Question: believable platform for earning without investment. The internet has created a wealth of opportunities for those interested in making money without investing any capital. While some of these methods come with a certain level of risk, there are many legitimate ways to earn money without having to invest your own money. Today in this video we will discuss some of the best ways to earn income without investing. First, freelancing writing. Freelance writing is one of the oldest and most popular methods of earning money without investing. Freelance writers write articles, blog posts, and other content for website publications and other clients. There are numerous websites such as Upwork and Freelancer that allow writers to find jobs and post their portfolio. The rates of pay can vary greatly depending on the type of writing and the client. However, it is possible to make a decent living as a freelance writer. Second, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a form of marketing in which a business pays a commission to an individual or company in exchange for referring customers to them. Affiliate marketers promote products and services through their own websites, social media accounts, or other platforms. When someone clicks on an affiliate link and makes a purchase, the affiliate marketer earns a commission. This is a great way to make money without having to invest any money, as the affiliate marketer does not need to purchase the product or keep any inventory. Third, blogging. Blogging is another popular way to make money without investing. Many bloggers make money by displaying advertisements on their blog, selling products through their blogs, or writing sponsored posts. Blogging takes time to build up an audience, but once it does, it can be a great source of passive income. Fourth, social media influencer. Social media influencers are people who have a large following on social media platforms, such as Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter. Brands often pay influencers to promote their product or services, and influencers can make a lot of money doing so. It does take time to build up a large following, but once you do, you can start to make money without having to invest any of your own money. Fifth, content creation. Content creation is another way to make money without investing. Content creators create videos, podcasts, and other types of content, and then monetize it by selling advertising space or selling products associated with the content. Content creators can also make money by charging for premium content or by selling subscriptions. 6. Drop shipping. Dropshipping is a business model in which an individual or company sells products without having to keep any inventory. Instead, the company purchases the products from a supplier who then ships them directly to the customer. Dropshipping is a great way to start an online business without having to invest any money, as the business does not need to purchase any inventory upfront. Seventh, selling digital products. Selling digital products, such as books, online courses, and software, is another way to make money without investing. Digital products can be sold through a website or through an online marketplace such as Amazon or Etsy. Selling digital products is a great way to start an online business without having to invest any money. Eighth, online tutoring. Online tutoring is another way to make money without investing. Many websites such as tutor.com and Chegg allow tutors to sign up and start tutoring students in a variety of subjects. Tutors can set their own rate, and they can make a good living by tutoring students online. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money without investing. Freelance writing, affiliate marketing, blogging, social media influencer, content creation, drop shipping, selling digital products, and online tutoring are all great ways to make money without investing. Although some of these methods may require some time and effort to get started, they can be lucrative and can help you to make money without having to invest any of your own money. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. And if you gain any insight from this video, you will likely appreciate it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and remember, never give up on your dreams.
Bye bye bye.